guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error 600. So first of all, launch a browser, then type in Roblox Help. You will see Roblox Support. Go ahead and open up that link. As you do that, you will get to a page like this. In here you will first see Roblox account, I need help with my account. Go ahead and click onto it. Now under these settings, select my account was hacked, what do I do? Now it'll give you information about why your account was hacked and what should you do, but this is not necessary. Scroll all the way below, then you will see need more help, contact support here. Once we get to a page like this, here type in your username. Even though it says optional, I would recommend you to type in your Roblox username, first name, email address, confirm your email address, and select the device where you are having the issue. Under help category, select bug report, and here type in your issue in very detailed manner. Type in that you are having a problem with a specific experience in Roblox, you would like to fix it, select continue and then send it. Once done, they will reach out to you via the email address that you left here, and then your problem will be fixed.